Alright guys, welcome back to the video. This is the detail hot lap and we have another cleaning on the Nissan Versa. This has been a great series so far. Great transformations, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video as much as I am. Also, I hope you guys are staying safe in this crazy time and staying healthy. We have a special cleaning today. We're gonna do the engine bay. Have a few things that will help you throughout this process, make it go just a little bit smoother. And yes, I am using running water on this. I'm not using a pressure washer, so. All right, so what you guys will need is a bucket of water with the appropriate brushes. I use all my wheel brushes and exterior brushes on this, and use a grit guard as well in the bucket. I use the Total Auto Wash, the P21S version. I'll use an all-purpose cleaner, microfiber towel, and then use this for any cleanups after you apply the application for the trim restore and then the applicator. Do use gloves because you will get a lot of grease on your hands. And then for the steamer attachment, I'm gonna go ahead and use the soft bristle brush. All right, for this Nissan Versa, there will be a battery right here. And then the alternator is what you want to cover with a trash bag. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery, get it out of the vehicle, so that way we don't short any electronics in this cleaning process.
All right, when you're disconnecting a battery, always remove the negative terminal first. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the black negative side and then detach it. And then you want to go ahead and detach the red positive cable from the battery and make sure it does not touch any part of the ground of the vehicle. Just take 2 seconds here to smash that like button, and if you are not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Thank you. So in this part, I go ahead and use a trash bag to cover the alternator, and then I also cover the positive terminal and then the fuse box that lays right next to it. So right here, I am using a blower to get all the debris out of the engine, so that way it's easier whenever you're cleaning it with water. And then I go ahead and use a garden hose attachment. Make sure you do not use a power washer on the vehicle because you do not want to force any water into electrical components. Alright, when you're using the Total Auto Wash, go ahead and spray down all of the vinyl and plastic wrap, and then you just want to go ahead and let this sit on there for a minute, but do not let this hang dry on the components. You want to go ahead and wash it off, and if you do have a little bit more dirty engine bay, go ahead and agitate it with a soft bristle brush. I use a wheel brush and a kind of like a paintbrush kind of, so that way it loosens all the dirt and debris on the surface, and then you just want to wash it off with water. now I'm applying some Car Pro Pearl. It's a 1:4 ratio, and then I'm just doing it all the front facing stuff, like the beauty cover is what it's called. And then when I'm done with this, I just go ahead and reconnect the battery and then take my vehicle out on the road so that way it dries out all this water underneath the engine bay. If there's any stuff that needs retouching, I go ahead and retouch it with the Car Pearl, but do not put running water on the vehicle whenever you have the battery connected.
You showed me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
Alright, in the final steps, we're going to go ahead and reconnect the battery, but do it in the opposite way. You want to connect the positive terminal to the battery, or the positive cable to the battery, secure it, and then do the negative cable so that way you do not lose a finger, you don't have any electric shorts in the battery, just so you guys know. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.